How to stop your Windows login screen from turning off while you are reading or save battery by having it lock faster. Here is how to change your screen timeout in seconds. So first go to Windows and type your settings, open the setting, go to system, and then you need to click on power. And here is a sleep screen, sleep and hibernate timeout. So you can just expand this and you can see you can set this as 5 minutes or whatever time that you guys wanted to, if you just want this for screen to be off. But if you really wanted to make your device sleep, then you need to use this one here. So Windows recommending you on 50 minutes. Like, who will use 50 minutes? So let's say 1 hour, that should be good. And it's gonna set battery for you if you are in laptop, and electricity if you guys are on desktop. And you can also hibernate if you want it. So make my device hibernate after whatever hour that you guys set. So I set never because I don't want hibernate. So yeah, if this fast tip save your time, hit that subscribe for more Windows quick guides.